When I got quotes for implants and full replacements, it was up to $70,000. And it was very hopeless. My teeth were deteriorating, my health was suffering, but I felt like I had no hope because we could never come up with that.
Hello, I am Dr. Victoria, and I am glad to have here two special patients for me, Marjorie and James. If it's okay for both, I want to know what kind of treatment do you have?
Well, I had last year I've got the snap-in dentures with all the extractions and implants. This year I came back for a new denture and a little adjustment.
Okay, and for you, James?
Well, initially I came for a checkup, and when they found that I needed some work, I had some inlays done and a crown.
The doctors are wonderful. I love you, Dr. Victoria.
Thank you.
Very kind, very willing to explain things to me. When I had very specific questions, you addressed them and made me feel comfortable with the answers. All of the staff was very kind, and the office is very professional, clean, nice equipment. Didn't have a problem with any of it. So I heard about this clinic and I researched it, and I would say within just a couple of weeks of researching it, I made my appointment. And it was life-changing, really. I put on 15 pounds, which I needed because I can finally eat. I'm a lot more outgoing socially, so it's really been life-changing for me.
I don't like to go to the dentist at all. I get very nervous, but I was very comfortable here. Not to be dramatic, I was much more comfortable here just based upon the attitude of the staff and, as Marjorie said, the willingness to answer questions and the patience, being very, very kind through the whole process. Cancun, it's beautiful. We've been here twice now, and we have enjoyed both times immensely. Visited Isla Mujeres, we've visited the beaches, we've visited the town and done a lot of walking. I've never felt unsafe or insecure in any way.
Well, also it's a pleasure for us have you here, and I hope see you soon.
Yes,
okay?
we'll be back.
Thank
you
you
so
for
much.
everything.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye. Oh, Marjorie, you know that. Oh, I love you so much.
Thank you so much.
Oh, it was a pleasure.
And we're going to come back
Also for you, James.
Yes.
visit and get
Thank you.
checkups next year, see if he needs any more work.